Rinchipem aju khamdaya baubing. Tangkhul 2024 International Women's Day Myon Haira. Phakmai mirin khurang khawai kasali. Shinaw li shuru khui khangasak. Kala shinaw sanli katom khawai katong haira. Manipur Raisang Haksang Khawai, Lupa 3,500 crore Manwi Development Projects Achu, Prime Minister Modi na Hapok Mira, Chile Yukrul Tutoloi, to Tadobi Highway Project La Zangdalai. Lake Yangutor, Achu the Tangkhul Express Wipau, Rinchipem Marzah in a Pamidalay, Pau Bing Maisa in a Nang Rumsa. Shinaw Sunday Kokodom Maramli, Ningasang Koka Yanka Kasa, Jidheda Ayazimik Show Tangkhul International Women's Day Kamayon, Rane Abam, Ngada Dali Kwikahira. Tangkhul Baptist Churches Association, Women Union, Tangkhul Theological Association TTA, Kala Action of Women in Development, AWID Kala, Theological College WTC Hiping Hina, Ngishikta International Women's Day 2024 Myon Haira. Inspire Inclusion Gujihina, Tukui Sada Nguran Yeji, TBG 125 Hole Mission Compound, Ukruli Rumbia. Kazib Jili Ukrul Deputy Commissioner, Zuringla Kengula Vazangda, Awi Mirin Krajan Lik Nghelda, Shinaw Sanli Kotom Kami Maram Pajtaya. Zuringla Nagahang, Ajalaga Awi Avivana Formal Wordam, Mutam Quimana Jilila, Shinawi Aman Kasak Sudada, Mashan Quilak Manaji. Mirin Chongzali Ningrin Kalay, Atazan Washung Kawai, Verewi Kangranli, Shitsangda Hotkana, Kakang Aina, Wiva Kawai Disijina Kasatsanga. Ranye Jui Mutime, DBCA with Education Secretary Irvin, Dr. Temshang Horamna, Kamaduli, Yaririn Raisang Haksangli, Shinaw Sanna, Kamadaya Otngrut Kukui, Dargargasa Maramli Kasatsanga. Dr. Temshang Horamna, Ranye Jui Duque Mekaimida, Inspire Inclusion Gaja, Shinaw Sandila, Zangsa Kangai, Ningpun Kurami Kawai Gasali, Vrewuti Nishanwi Manga, Empowerment Kala, Bukangaba Malayla, Kurang Kawai Apong Matiwi Maramli Hangsanga. Kazib Jili Shuru Kuibingna, Shinaw Sandi Empowerment Gasankala, Yariwi Kishogazang, Otnurut Ayavali, Shinaw Sandi, Majita Haila, Hogasang Maramli, Kasatsang Roka. FXB India Suraksha We Program Officer Ungriso E Shangnala, Mutuida Gender Equality, La Women's Right Wivang, Mayor Now Sanwi, Kakadom Dargargasa Maramli Kasatsanga. Pettigrew College, Ukrul Department of Economics We Assistant Professor, Dr. Vino Ramanala, Itumaling Kamay Society Sem Kawai Kasali, Shinaw Mayor Now Makaila, Kokasada Zat Kawawi, Kankana Maramli Hangsanga. Pungyo Baptist Church Ukruli Pastor Reverend Zaklay Kapingnala, Kasatsangda, Awi Mirinli Abrevana, Critic Lasa, Katom Kamela Sada, Pakamay, Shokawai, Feedback Kamiva Ngasayachi. Yari we tutak Kuili, Shinaw Zang Plungi Kachinada, Long Now, Organization, Church Hikatali, Shinaw Sanjungwe, Shuru Kwikawai, Reverend Zaklay Kapingna Hangsanga. Ranye Jilib Sot Konli Gazangwa Yursari Kasomo, Mission Compound Women Kala, Theological College na, Special Numbers Sanjiteya. Alice Christian Higher Secondary School we, Aina, Yerya Tutungna, Inclusion we Maramli, Lungtumlak Gahai, Monolog Mia. Kazibji Theological College Kala, Alice Christian Higher Secondary School we Katam Naubing, Churches Ngada de we Shinausan, Youth Katana Ping, La Organizations Ngada de we, Mingnin Ping Vazanga. Kajang Taragada, Rod Kamratli, Gupumraga Hai Manipur Wivang Aju, Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Lupa, 3,500 crore Manwi Development Projects, Hapok Mira, Kala Gupsang Kahai Projects Mati Targat Kamira, Kahangda Kalehi, Modi Manipurli Ungi Gachi Maning Mana, Foundation Stone Shun Kami Kala, Projects Targat Kakami Chi, PM na Itanagar we Aina, Video Conferencing Salaga, City Convention Imphal East District we, Ranyeli Ngrumgi Gachina. Prime Minister Modi na Foundation Stones Shunmigi Gachihi, Unity Mall, Maternity and Child Hospital Aina, Manipur Technical University with Infrastructure Development, 60-bed state mental hospital, IT SEZ Processing Zone with Infrastructure, Country Thai Ngriyo Pungshini, School Infrastructure Development Hiping Hizanga. NESIDS with Azingli, road projects kani national highway projects kani Imphal Jiribam Ukrul Tutoloi Tatubi Kala Setu Bandhan wi azingli thongmati semkhawai projects la zanga Modi na thargat kami gi gichi projects pingji CRIF wi azingli chongfu project kani water supply schemes Jal Jeevan Mission Moirangli Semgahai Craft Handloom Village National Highways Projects Imphal More Tangmenglong Kongsang Marem Paren Churachandpur Tuivai Hiping Hizanga Prime Minister Modi na Assam aina Arunachal Pradesh tour zatalai Ana akamaga Ziranga National Park li yauthi walaga Itanagar li Viksit Bharat Viksit North East program mazangra Hungbung Shongla Shinao Sandi Gagdom Kathong the Invest in Women Accelerate Progress Inclusion Women and Fork a Better World Kachi Dugui Azingli International Women's Day Myon Haira Aya Hungbung Awungjang Ilong Shimli Society for Indigenous Culture and Environment Sais Women of Hungbung Unit for Social Advancement WHUSA Kala Ukrul Vividina Kokasada International Women's Day Mukokmi Haira Ranye Jili MSPDCL IT Deputy Manager Ukrul Shinmila Hungyo Kala VVDW Executive Director Jubilate Kazingmena Mudumi Sada Wazanga VVDW Executive Director Jubilate Kazingmena Ziming Shoji Mion Pokwi Tot Rinchanli Yang Ungda Ajalaka Mirambak Mikumo Akana Mikumo Akali Rausa the Haigasa La Ju Aina 1884 Kum Anti-Slavery Movement Hog Pok Maram Pajiteya Ithume abamli le khangajai ra ga hai maram hangsang da shinauli larik matamungsak kasa la tamungsak la pathai khawai wiwang tamungsak kasa la shinauli wa mirnaw na pangshap lei maya da apong kataili chong maya da khui kasa hi katha hi hangda ithume ning phanin ngujai phulungra da jubilate na kasatsanga Shinaw aina mirnaw mujui maing rok mana khanini ngarai chaya kaharana brave wi akhawana chiaka brave china Karawi Akavana the VVD Executive Director Jubilate Kazingmena Lungsan Lak Aina Gasatsanga SIC with Chairman LM Tanmi Shimrainala Ogtui Zingdun Shong Kala Apam Gada Daily Shinauli Nemlak Aina Quisalaga Jiu Aina Shinao Sanna Mushun Gargui Dio Maker Pachiteya Shinao Mirnau the Makaila Ringvasa La Shinao Aina Mirnau Mushun Garai Jayada Quisa Chita Aka Idhumi Society Gala Yurlo Koka Samwi Regala Shimkurila Jingri Gahaile Rada Tanmina Hangsanga Tangkhul Nagalongwi Rian Le Shinao Li Decision Making Body Li Mazang Paimana Kichiwi Bukangaba Dio Makalaya Ka Ara Rian Katar Hiliva Shinao Lila Abam Jika Mirada Shadalaya Ka Approve Saminika Masamini Kalagachi Mathirangada SIC with Chairman China Hangsanga MSPDCL Deputy Manager Shinmila Huyona Kamaduli Ogtui Regisang Hagasang Manga Vamai Kavai Gisali Shinao Sanli Zangkangasak Dargar Saplunga Gachi Hanga Shinmila Nagahang and the engineer Ankasada Kalehi Ashavali Credit Mia Ashavagala Agahar Aniwi Kukdom Wivang Aina Achi Manipurli MSPDCL IT Engineer Gasa Samgapang Tangkhul Shinao among Nada Ningashi Pongshaga Kala Arihon Digital Atom Hitaran Otsai Gorohi Technology Aina Ngurumda Ringpok Haira Chikatha Cloud Kitchen Online Class Work from Home Hikathahi Technology na Kala Arihon with Digital Evolution Hili Itum Kalata Update Kasa Dargar Sayada Shinmilana Hangsanga Regisang Kurasa Chi Aka Shinaula Mirnaula Itum Kalata Kangajay Dargar Sayada MSPDCL Deputy Manager na Guzum Sanga Avu Avashim Kurna Mathada Mayang Sang Naungara Viral Video Li Taikuda National Bingjili Children Homely High Kawai Manipur Social Welfare Department na Dudak Tahira Hangda Kale Social Media Li Ngayau Gahai Video Chili National Bingjili Kamishimana Kashagaza Migaza Jithai Jithai Kuda Child Welfare Committee CWC na Bayang Sangmia Otchoti Imphal East District Li Kashokna National Bingji Kumlaga Laisada Mi Bingjina Kashagaza Migazana Chi Naungura Bingjui Avavu Farmli Otsa Avuvana Migateli Nushu Twihau Kala Avavu China Zamkorling Pumda Naungura Jili Mathada Miang Sangnachi Social Welfare Department Director NG utamna Imphal Free Press li kahang angret zakashi mathada mayang sang shimdi leida khalai national bingli children's home hi haipaya utamna kahang Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children at Atishuda zakshida sazagai otpam phasa lei kasapam zakshida khangnau shimkhur la maning akha shijinguida khalai pamli panda khalai national bingli kan khuilaga inquiry leibai kala athumi rehabilitation wiwang kishap aina dangda naubing jili sagzama leng sakla yangmi hi kichina yangsang khami kala nga khami dargar sada khalai national bingwi amul social media li muphongmi khawai Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights Chairperson Kaisham Pradeep Kumar na yari likhang kaw sada hangchipunna Manipur wi internally displaced persons bingwiwang Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights na income certificates mishok phok khaira Manipur rot khamrat na maram sada shimji holaga zata khalai national bingwi avu awa la yangsang me bingli low income certificates kamili adam mazang sa khawai commission china phaikar khui khami kasana MCPCR chairperson Kaisham Pradeep Kumar na kahang income certificate chi kankhana tharan Kabopoli Mishokra. Now Ngrawivang sponsorship schemes application li minor kawai certificate chi kui kawai kisali avu awa terakana kasak samphanga guchi commission chi na hanga. Process Yuivang chairpersons kala deputy commissioners pingna yangsang kami dargar salaka da commission chi na kasat haira. Achahon Tarik Turuk District Saigorwe deputy commissioners pingli MCPCR chairperson na kapiwada kahang Rod Kamrat hina maram sada internally displaced children pingwi awa awa la yangsang me bing ngalang phai khawai apong malai mana athum gujungana gachangli lupa akhala maphairar la leida lechi 2023 karam gajangwe eina Rod Mradra ga hai alungli meeting hangshini shimkala income malai tura national ting mukada phanga shika relief camps ngada dai le ngin khudalai MCPCR hi statutory body akhasada Commission for Protection of Child Rights at 2025 wi azingli national bingwi mishun nga khami ot ngurut yangsang mi khawai pangshap lei kala national bingwi mishun le phainai sa ga highway maramli complaints mi kasang kala so moto notice policy magshur hikatha maramli commission china yangsang mi pai shai gishinau bingli kudom khami sada Department of Empowerment of Person with Disabilities na District Disability Rehabilitation Centers DDRC kathar tumrada phanga shomi haira centers chi India we apam ngata dai dali shomi da Manipur wiwang akhazanga Social Justice and Empowerment Union Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar na centers pingchi aya tharkat kamida online ranye khugaya District Disability Rehabilitation Centers tumrada phangachi Madhya Pradesh li thrada gutum Andhra Pradesh li shini Odisha li Turuk Tripura li Muti Maharashtra li khani kala Assam Nagaland ena Manipur li akharip shomiya center ji shaigashinau bingna kankhana ari arai katam gishu skill training rehabilitation services early identification assistive device fitment UDID registration facilitation, financial assistance, prosthetics, orthotics, physiotherapy, kamutui aina kashali khangazanui therapy, avu avali counseling kami, hikatha hi haimira hanga. Myanmar we aina Manipur li rajang haigasa illegal immigrants pingli state chorgarna Myanmar shong jiho phokhaira. Manipur na Myanmar Nationals Boards kasang hapokda ayami shini jiho haira. Manipur na juho ki kichi illegal immigrants saigora ngurumlaga hangshini da shini kaya aya batch kare juho haira kala deport kasa jimik show mati thang we alumli kupsang richi Myanmar nationalist shini chi aya international airport Imphal we aina more border li phungjang mi haira athumli tamuli Myanmar officials pingli misang haura deport sangi kichi Myanmar nationals hangshini da shini we ngichaili Shinau hang phanga da phanga kala naw shinau phanga zanga athumiram hanung khawai phungwa khamiwi aman Manipur Transport Department na ngran khamina Tangkhul's Got Talent Elimination Round Kubuda Semi-Finals Makawai at Strada Kanili Kapangkui Haira. Kare Tangkhul's Got Talent Li Ngahanda Kale Semi-Finalist Pingji, Karar Kon, Toting Soro, Honchang Piwoleng, Mayami Shaiza, Sojurin Siro, Kohorting Kapai, Myo Pimuhung, Visil PS, Ashley Lungleng, Chinauso Awungshi, Rinchipem Volui, Kalagapangkui W Shimre Atumzanga. Muzui Entertainment Team na Pau Hi Mishok da at Pingchili congratulate Sahira. Tangkhul's Got Talent we semi-final kala grand finale rakhara muyo tarik tarada turukthang town hall ukruli rungmira. Ladbida aju kamataya baubing. Tangkhul 2024 International Women's Day Myon Haira. Phakmai Mirin Kurang Kawai Kasali, Shinauli Shuru Kwikangasak, Kala Shinau Sanli Katom Kawai Katong Haira. Manipur Raisang Haksang Kawai, Lupa 3,500 crore Manwi Development Projects Achu, Prime Minister Modi na Habok Mira, Chile Yukrul Tutoloi, to Tadobi Highway Project La Zangdalai. Aju Pau Hi Ena Jang Haira, Pau Nada Kalina Tum Sai Gorali, Ringapa Kamahaya, Jim Shong Saserano.